Have you ever wondered if this is the only time you've ever lived? Because you just know things, don't you, that you haven't experienced in this life yet. Well, today we're diving into the captivating journey of souls, a journey that goes way beyond the boundaries of life and death to offer you insights into your spiritual essence and the interconnectedness of all beings. So grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and come on this fascinating voyage with me. Let's start by understanding what the journey of souls truly means. Well, imagine your soul as an eternal traveller, embarking on a continuous cycle of growth and expansion. Each lifetime is like a chapter in a never-ending book filled with unique experiences and lessons that contribute to your soul's evolution. This journey isn't just about the afterlife, it's about discovering your purpose in the here and now. However, reincarnation is a key theme in this journey. Just picture your soul being reborn into new bodies, big, small, fat, thin, allowing you to experience life from different perspectives. This cycle of birth, death, and rebirth is a process of spiritual refinement. With each incarnation, you gain wisdom and insight, ultimately gaining a little more enlightenment and wisdom along the way. You've no doubt heard of an old soul. That's the recognition of those many lives and learning. It's like a cosmic game of expansion and growth, with the experience as a stepping stone on your soul's path. And this lifetime is just one of those stones. But there's more. The journey of souls also highlights the importance of soul groups. These are clusters of souls that incarnate together across lifetimes, supporting each other's growth. Think of them as your spiritual family, those who offer love, guidance, and yes, even challenges. Your mother was most likely in other lifetimes with you, but it doesn't mean she had the same role. Mothers may have been sisters, sisters were best friends, lovers were perpetrators. There's a lot of swapping roles that goes on through eternity. That's why understanding these dynamics can deepen your connections and remind you that you're never truly alone on this journey. Now, how can we embrace this journey of soul growth in our daily lives to get the very best out of life? Well, it starts with mindfulness. By staying present and aware, you can tune into the subtle messages of your inner self. Simple practices like meditation or deep breathing can help quiet the mind and open the heart, creating space for spiritual insights to just emerge. Compassion is another essential aspect. By extending kindness and understanding to yourself and others, you foster a sense of unity and interconnectedness. Start with self-compassion. Acknowledge your imperfections and treat yourself with the same kindness you would offer a friend. You were never supposed to be perfect, and nor were they. As you accept this form of self-compassion, you will find it easier to extend this love to others, creating a ripple effect of love and positivity. Remember, the journey of each of our souls is a personal and unique experience. So trust your intuition and follow the path that resonates with your heart. By doing so, you'll uncover the wisdom and peace that lie deep within. In today's world, these spiritual concepts may seem like common sense, yet they're increasingly difficult to uphold. We're often torn by forces that divide us, making spiritual connections less sustainable. We can't keep feeling love when we feel the government is going to screw us over. But our divinity is where our healing begins. When we're not connected to our divinity, we're more vulnerable. Let me share a story that made a difference in my life from my past life therapy practice. During a session, a lady began recalling a past life, as is usually the case. She described feeling tightness around her legs and her arms, and that she couldn't move and she couldn't see anything. And this was right at the very beginning of this lifetime. We weren't making progress, so I guided her to a safe, non-physical space. As this space was a place of clarity, she suddenly realized what had happened. She was stuck in her mother's birth canal in the mid-19th century. She and her mother both died because they had an agreement with her father to give him the opportunity to be the best father he could be to her brother. Interesting, huh? All of this was arranged before any of them were even born. This story offers a profound perspective on the deeper purpose behind seemingly tragic events such as a baby dying before it takes its first breath. Even when it seems it has, nothing has gone wrong. This journey of a soul invites us to view life through a lens of acceptance and helps us to understand that there is a bigger picture that we can't see. It encourages us to see beyond the surface and connect with deeper essence of both ourselves and others. By opening our hearts to a new perspective and meaning, we can create a much more harmonious and fulfilling existence for us. So as you continue your own journey, remember that you are never alone. Countless souls are walking alongside you right now. Some you can see and others you can't. But each is contributing to yours as well as the collective evolution. I believe in you, and together we can hold on to our humanness and create a world filled with love, compassion, and unity. If you found this journey of souls helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit. Until next time, keep shining your light and embracing your soul journey.